Hello, Jay. How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I'm
Today
wonderful.
we today we have Raksha Bandhan. We have to use to wear this. Our sister has tagged this.
Oh,
The
so
concept is
so
the
so
concept is
today in the
we will protect our sister. Okay, throughout the life. No type of problem we will see if she has. So we will solve that. Okay, that is our main bonding between the brother and sister. And at the same time, you can also say that it's a friendship day also. It's a big friendship day. Yeah. Uh,
happy Friendship Day to all my brothers and sisters in India. My brother Jay said, Chris, let's jump on a live. Let's explain about what a great thing and passive is. So I'm reaching out to all those brothers and sisters in India. Get back with Jay if you have not heard or seen about this. He's going to help you change your life. And man, I'm so glad for Friendship Days because I'm not only your friend, but I am your brother, Jay. You know that. I love you to death.
yeah. Yeah, that's what I just want to convey all the people of India just get in, because if I brought anyone on this platform, I know that he will be a winner. He will be a successful. No problem. Whatever the problem he is facing right now, it will be easily wash out. He will never feel this type of problem in the coming days.
That is
Okay.
correct, Jay.
He,
You are
that's
absolutely.
why I
A lot of you people in India, all over the world, are struggling because of this lousy coronavirus. Okay, big changes are coming, India. Big changes are coming, India, for you especially. You guys are like almost 50% of Unpassive founders joining like crazy in India. We're loving it, and you people are going to change India for the better. I mean, it's going to be unbelievable what all of a sudden you have a ton of my brothers and sisters in India making a phenomenal residual income and helping out your country. That's an amazing feat right there. That's what a passive will do for all of you.
Yeah, that's it's a done deal actually. Everyone 100% winner. When whoever is come, no need to having a very good qualification or very good promotion. Whatever right now you are doing, you have to just do this by only $97 only. And we people, we the founder of this on passive will help you how you will come in as through our link. That is the most important thing. And the more important thing is that we will definitely uplift the humanity, because we will get so many apples. I am just talking about apples. Why? Because I don't want to use the dollar and money. Okay, everyone will think in a different way. That I will tell you that you will get so many apples that you will easily fulfill all the demand, all the crisis. That will be definitely benefit the poor people or the people who is not having that much of money or apples to get this $97 only. That's what our main motto is. That's why I'm sharing this thing every day. And you also throughout the world. Right now I know my local language is Bengali. That's why I used to convey the people of Bangladesh and West Bengal of India through Bengali also.
Wait, that's another thing I'd like to talk about, Jay. Bangla and India are coming together strong. And you know, when we come together, we're a lot stronger. So very, very proud of that with Bangladesh and India. But what a great day to celebrate Friendship Day in India by talking about a passive, getting new people into a passive, watching countries grow together instead of apart. And that's a lot of things that a passive is about. We want to fill the gaps of maybe where countries or people were upset or mad at each other. We don't want that no more. We want you to be successful together, enjoy each other, learn each other's cultures, respect each other. That's what a passives can do it for people right now. We're getting rid of the hate, Jay. We're throwing the hate out the window. We're bringing the love back.
Yeah. And it's a place money. It's a clean money. Why? Because we will not sell any personal information. We are producing a 50 plus digital product which are driven by artificial intelligence. You don't have to do any sort of work over here. You just have to get in with 97, or in terms of Indian money, 9086 rupees only. That's it.
You are.
But you have to keep that vision. Because
Yep.
our CEO, Mr. F. Para, has a very big heart. He just share his business to all of us, just to remove that gap between the richer person and the poor person, to reduce that gap. That's why we common people, if become a richer, then what will we do? We will just uplift the humanity. That's it. I
Jay?
don't know personally with Chris sir,
Yeah.
but just the bonding. Why? Because a good community we have.
Yes, Jay, I gotta run because I gotta take care of something, but I just want to let you all know in India, Bangladesh, the world, that Impassive is coming, and we're coming with love from our hearts. Jay Mookie is a brother of mine. Get back with Jay. Anyone in India that doesn't know about Impassive, you should all know because that's where our best building's at right now. But get back with Jay. Happy Friendship Day in India, and boy, I can't wait to visit there someday. And I know I got all kind of places I can stay and meet all you guys, learn your culture. I'm really looking forward to that part. But Jay, I love you to death. Keep doing your lives. India, it's coming. Get back with Jay. Hey, hey, hey. I love you, Jay. Keep doing what you do.
Good.
But
Yes, I will do that. No problem. Okay,
All right.
bye bye.
bye-bye.
Bye bye.